Rangsakona MLA Zenith M. Sangma was present at the MLA Cup Grand Finale 2022 at Nongkatgre, Rasangkona, West Garo Hills, along with other Meghalaya TMC leaders. In light of Meghalaya's drastic failure at the National Games 2022, he said, "During my tenure as Sports Minister, we brought in policies like District Sports Promotion Society with a yearly budget allocation of Rs 5 crores. It was allocated to build sports facilities like district sports clubs, instructors clubs, and many others. However, the scheme was unfortunately discontinued post-2018. After congratulating the players of the participating teams, as the chief guest of the event, Zenith M. Sangma commented, "Given a mandate, we will do our best to create opportunities for our sports-loving people by bringing in the best sports policy for our youth, which appears to be lacking these days." Garobada Football Club won the MLA Cup 2022. A cultural program was also arranged to lift the spirits of the audience for the occasion.
One District Sports Promotion Society. District Sports DSPS niya District Sports Promotion Society. Yan ba belsiprako krorbonga dangarang ko ne district yan tune decentralized kai. Dangarang paisarang ko chamata aruba antang-tangani district respective district rango. Sports club, registered club, aro association rang apply kai dangarang ko manwacham. Angagis nasimang giskragen ya playground no kalnagata ani sports minister ummetungo club ni manderang angchigo dangam na nangjajo. Gamakan one district sports officer chi ai galimna apply kai na manrongayacham. Hadar sottok laksa dakkina. Nasimang giskragen Tura Runners Club Pangnan Marathon Restaurant ko organize karunga belsianti bisona basoko belak tam basoko belak pri yas kimoni ko nonrongacham. Aru dengtang tam Motors Club rang ba nani car restaurant ko atna kata ununi ko dakchagani ko manrongacham. Endonga dengtang tournament. Endiba sorkari chen songa zaman ya program ko ba discontinue kania sel dalo anchini chadamberang songadam nokadamo dongpa dengtang registered club aru association rang 졸기용에 완다오바 back to the square one 나가다라키 ML랑 지금 타야오나 소플라오나 소파하 뭐 organizing committee니 만데랑 마치고 당카만 겐 우치 유바 만자 아니면나 방난 안탕탄이 ML랑 오니고 암 토가야 안층이 에리아원 농자 에리아기 안춘 constituency 안춘 안탕탄이 ML랑 지고 디만 카이카이 풋볼 토너먼트 콩 왔다 organize 카나 졸코라롱아 아루완다켄 ML랑 바 송송한 티니 만데랑 필 동급박이 안치원 organize 카나그다 당카파이사랑 과 망어드 바이타나만 잡겐 원이그만 practically 야라 impossible 원이그만 gemak nan win-win situation nagasata ang ni sports minister umatong gesa gatal program ko gatal scheme ko abatsingata na simang iskragen ko na simang memory ko refresh kanagata ganataya ya footballan mandare namnak patkapa aru ya kode sakan cian involve ponge antang ni dambe ni somoirangode kalgaparang bangen dongan gapau mission football ko abatsingata mission football ko abatsingata ni ortodewan dalo dalgaman kalengpa piliarang ko bisoni kalani ko niesa yan nakapa number ko wangapa de changa yan nakapa number ko wangapa de shoot kana nama yade defense na nama yade striker na nama nimna base ya ko kholami ranga ode bangisa salni gisepon retirement stage una sokaya namgapa cholko nagata nambatta gadangni training rangko ne namgapa footballer rangko produce kana bloinenga unigaman bilsi do ko ngaunin bisa chonaunin